So the new government in the capital has taken charge with Rekha Gupta at the helm as the chief minister now of Delhi. The BJP glare is also on the erstwhile AAP government under Arvind Kejriwal. Chief Minister Rekha Gupta has vowed that she will make the Aam Aadmi Party accountable for each and every rupee to the public, while reiterating that she will not be staying at the Sheesh Mahal, the Delhi Chief Minister residence, which has been in the centre of a political fight. Other Delhi ministers, Parvesh Verma, Manjinder Singh Sirsa, Ashish Sood, all of them also have vowed to probe the corruption charges levelled against AAP and Arvind Kejriwal. Meanwhile, Swati Maliwal, AAP MP, was the sole AAP face who attended the swearing-in ceremony. Okay, so clearly this could mean troubled times for Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party. Remember, several senior leaders of the AAP, while they were in power, went to jail on corruption charges. And now the BJP saying we will further probe all of the allegations against the AAP leaders. And of course, they have made, as part of their poll promise, a mention clearly of a CAG report on the CM residence, on what they've referred to as the Sheesh Mahal. And that's something that the Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta has also referred to, saying that she will not be staying at the Sheesh Mahal.
जो सरकार पिछले 12 साल से दिल्ली में राज कर रही थी और जितने भी भ्रष्टाचार के मुद्दे उनके ऊपर है, जनता के एक एक पैसे का हिसाब उन्हें देना। नहीं
अरविंद केजरीवाल के शासनकाल में जो भ्रष्टाचार के आरोप आप लोग लगाते थे, उसकी भी जांच कराएंगे?
100% जांच।
और जो लोग होंगे उसको सजा भी दिया जाएगा?
बिल्कुल। अभी जनता की अदालत में फैसला हुआ है, अभी कानून की अदालत में भी होगा।
प्रधानमंत्री जी सैकड़ों बार कह चुके हैं, जिन्होंने जनता को लूटा उन्हें जनता का लौटाना पड़ेगा, उन्हें लौटाना ही पड़ेगा। जिसने लूटा है वो लौटाएगा।
तो ये माना जाए कि पहली प्राथमिकता होगी भ्रष्टाचार की जांच?
देखिए, पहली प्राथमिकता, अपनी प्राथमिकताओं के बारे में मुख्यमंत्री महोदया बताएंगे, अपनी प्राथमिकताओं के बारे में। मगर दिल्ली की जनता को कूड़े से मुक्ति दिलाना, गंदे पानी से मुक्ति दिलाना, ये मुझे लगता है बहुत महत्वपूर्ण
जी। कितनी शर्म की बात है कि जो अरविंद केजरीवाल जी भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ मुख्यमंत्री बने, इतना बड़ा आंदोलन करा, उन्होंने एक तरीके से आंदोलन के साथ गद्दारी करी, क्योंकि सीएजी की जो रिपोर्ट्स हैं वो 2016 से विधानसभा दिल्ली में अभी तक टेबल ही नहीं करी है। तो मैं बिल्कुल चाहती हूँ कि ये रिपोर्ट स्टेबल हो, जो भी भ्रष्टाचार सरकार में हुआ है वो उजागर हो और उसके ऊपर सख्त से सख्त कार्यवाही हो। यमुना मैया से, मतलब मैं सरकार से यही अपील करूंगी कि यमुना मैया जल्द से जल्द साफ करी जाए। आज बहुत दुख की बात है कि पिछले 10 साल में यमुना एक नाला बन के रह गई है, इसको वापस जीवित करना बहुत जरूरी है।
Okay, let's bring in Shreya Chatterjee for more details. Shreya, there will be a lot of focus on what the BJP government means for the Aam Aadmi Party. You know, several of their leaders went behind bars, went to jail over corruption cases, even while they were in power. So now there'll be a question mark over what really is the fate of Arvind Kejriwal and so many of the other leaders accused of corruption.
Well, absolutely. You know, Akshita, this is going to be one of the key focus that will also be a part of this government, because we cannot ignore the fact that when the BJP came to power with such a brute majority, the Prime Minister's first speech very categorically said that they will be avenging those who looted the people of Delhi. On the similar lines, Rekha Gupta has also spoken. So clearly when that assembly session begins, we will be seeing those CAG reports being tabled. But simultaneously, Akshita, we also can't forget that there are multiple agencies that are investigating multiple other cases. There's a transport department scam being looked into by the Central Bureau of Investigation. In the alleged Sheesh Mahal case, we see a preliminary inquiry by the Central Bureau of Investigation. There's, apart from the beautification of the Six Flagstaff House, there's also the flow ratio violation investigation that's been asked to be done by the PWD. So there's a host of things that's going on. Additionally, once this enters the assembly, because the CAG report wasn't tabled earlier, there will be interesting times ahead and obviously difficulties for the Aam Aadmi Party. These will be simultaneously going on with the promises that the BJP has made. We've already heard Rekha Gupta suggest that 2,500 to women will be started to be doled out from the 8th of March. Yamuna renovation will be their key focus. They're starting it with the Aarti today. So all these things will be happening, but the key focus remains at whether the Aam Aadmi Party with their 22 MLAs in hand will be able to become a dominant voice as an opposition in the national capital, or with all these investigations going on, will they be completely sidelined and washed out?
All right, Shreya, thanks very much for joining us with all of those details. We'll wait and see what really the fate of the Aam Aadmi Party will be, with the BJP making it clear that there will be a detailed investigation into all of the allegations against the Aam Aadmi Party.